Welcome friends to another video. In this video we will learn about how to do the search, and after in the next video we'll run the reports. Then afterwards you will learn the menu process. Then afterwards you learn exe generate. So in this video you'll learn how to search in a database using form and display the result in a grid. Okay, so let's start. We'll do this, and first we have to run this our menu, which one we had generated in a last video, in a series of last video. So in a contact menu you can see here search, and there is a name. Okay, and that name is search name.scx file does not exist. The same thing now this same file name we want to create, and we have to work on this search name.scx. Okay, so file name search name.scx. okay, now what to do now? First, how to make it search first in this caption we'll write search by full name. Okay, that is done. Then we required one label. We keep here label, and name is search by full name. Okay, and make it auto size. Okay, and this font is bold, and this is 12. Okay, now we required one text box, right? Then same thing, same treatment is 12. Okay, and make it little broader or a large. Okay, and we create a this one grid view, this grid view to display the result. Okay, we keep it as it is. Okay, so and here we need a now one button. Okay, so button, yeah, this is the button, and we create a one reset, and when we create a button it's set. Okay, so how to do that? This cmd first one is search, and here it will be name is reset, to reset a search. Okay, and after that here by name cmd reset, and here it will become a cmd search. Okay, now we do the code on this, and we keep and we assign don't keep your form controls orphan. Okay, so always give some meaningful name to them. See this name property txt full name. Okay, or txt search full name, search full name. Okay, txt search full name. Now on double click on this we'll write a code here. So I think so you understand what we have to going to write here is what we have to first we take a value into a memory variable. Okay, how do we get it? This search. Okay, then we write upper. Why? Because whatever user has type, we don't know it will be in a lower or upper, so always go through with the upper. Okay, so alt trim. Okay, and then we write here this form txt search full name. Okay, and value, right? And after that this form grid. Okay, record source type equal to, this will be a SQL statement. Okay, because we don't give the pressure to our actual live dbf file. Okay, so first we keep it in my first we check it what we had did in a load event. Okay, in load event we had not typed anything, so just type close table all. Okay, and use contact. Okay, use contact, and index on full name. Okay, to k dot whatever the, if you want to create anything. Okay, your index file name, it may be a sys203. Okay, sys3 for temporary file name you can be allowed. I just given a k.tmp. Okay, otherwise you can be write down this way mtmp file sys3 because for a display purpose we want to create. Okay, so I think so you had seen what is the 3. 3 is this legal file name will be returned. Okay, and this will be a unique file name return, and then afterwards you can use it here. Okay, for temporary reason I am creating k.tmp. Okay, so this is done, and keep it as in buffering, because this will help us, because if any one user has changed, it won't be get saved, because the buffering table cursor 1 minute, what is that, cursor set property. Okay, so we will use cursor set property, yeah, this thing, cursor set property, buffering 5, and name is contact. Okay, so this is comes in buffering mode now, table done. Okay, so it's done now. Now we have to come on search again, this form dot grid 1. Okay, so we'll write grid 1 dot record source. Now we have to type our command, select star from contact where. Okay, and in single inverted comma we have to write, and we have to do this this one, m search memory variable. Okay, now here we had passed the macros. Okay, and after that dollar full name order by full name. Okay, order by full name into cursor, result will be we transfer into a cursor. Okay, and then the result, and that cursor name is search result. Okay, done. Now let's check it. Okay, after that we have to do is this grid 1 dot refresh, this form dot refresh. Now see this. Okay, because we had buffering on, so it should be a multi-lock on. Okay, this is my bad. So we have to go here again and just double click on a load event and just type set multi-lock on and set exclusive off. Okay, so it will run on a network. Okay, it is asking already exits or not, for because this notice always every time it will come to on your screen. So how do we avoid this? We can avoid this by right here set safety off. Okay, now just check it. Now this time it is not came, right? So and set deleted off. Okay, set deleted on. Okay, so we write down here why set deleted on, because deleted marked record is also it's showing in a screen, on a screen. Okay, so we have to mark it as a, okay, we don't want to see a deleted mark records. Okay, so we have to write down here set deleted on. Okay, now see this, no deleted records. Okay, now we write down here Rajesh. Okay, so suppose we write down Raj, see this Rajesh Todi and Raj Kishore Vyas, it is coming. And if we write down reset, then my whole all the records will be viewable. So how to achieve this? This form grid 1. Okay, record source record type is equal to 0 table, this form grid 1 record source is equal to contact. See this reset, all the records is viewable, Now we write down only Raj and search it. Then it will, you can see here, two records in 00 seconds, and my search result is exported in a search result cursor. This is not a table. Okay, so by this way we had created successfully search. Okay, and you can search anything here. Now suppose if I write down SA, so wherever we had used SA, that will be display. Suppose we had write down ESH, so wherever we had write down ESH, like Kamlesh ESH, in Mahesh ESH is there, Rajesh ESH is there. Okay, and if we are to write down AN, so see this, it will be like in a Bansal there is a AN, like in Manoj Modi there is a AN. Okay, so just keep it in mind. So this command, just I have to be explain this. See this dollar is like a search like any. You understood? Like any, like in a, say this like this, it will executing like command of SQL command query. Okay, so it will be search any character in a, within a that string of that column. Okay, within a that column, this that character will be get search out. Okay, hope so you understood and you enjoyed this video. Okay, so in this coming next video you'll learn about reports, how to create a reports. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.